salsa unit, and today we will be learning Guanguanco. Okay, so it's a Cuban subgenre that we've just named for this basic step. You can use this while dancing salsa and mostly for a shine step, but it also comes to play in partner dancing. So without further ado, grab your object and away we go. Again, this is just a tactile learning cue to help you know where the center is, okay? So again, starting with the normal leaders count, we always going to start with our left because leaders start with their left, followers start with their right, universal, we learn the lead. All right, that's just a really long way of saying start with your left foot. This is my left foot, and I'm going to step to the side, hence side salsa step. So here we go. I'm going to rock step to the side. Again, that just means change your weight. So I'm left foot together. Now, it's very important to have supple knees. What does supple means? It means soft, like you're ready to go. Like where are we going to go next? I don't know, but I'm ready for it, right? So you don't want to walk like a robot. It's very not good, okay? So you need to have supple knees. Step to the left, again, switch weight, to the right, switch weight, to the left, switch weight, to the right, to the left, switch, to the right, switch. The count is going to have the switch be a 4. Unfortunately, in most counting, they do not say the 4. Just because salsa is a faster dance move. So the count goes like this. It's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is very important because you need to learn. If you could say it out loud, I hope I've drilled it into your head. What am I going to say? I'm going to say it is important to change your weight before you go to the other side. Okay? So this is the salsa basic, also known as Guanguanco because it's the motion of your hips. Even though you can't see them, let me see if I can squat. Nope. Okay. Let's go back to top view. Motion of the hips. They're going to go Guanguanco. Guanguanco. I'm going to face you. Feels weird. Guanguanco. Guanguanco. So you're changing your weight, moving your hips. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Okay, I'm a cheerleader now. We're going to try it to music. Here we go. Remember to always come back to the red cup in the middle or whatever your object is.
5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 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 5, 6, 7.
I haven't been dancing for a while, so even this is good cardio for me. When you're doing this, I really want you to check that you're coming to the middle. Okay? Always find your home base. Hitting the 4 corners. So this one's fun. You can add more to it. Okay, so you can shimmy when you're dancing. You could pretend like you're scooping up water, putting it on you. You could bring your hands up. You can have a body roll. You can combine them. You can do a drop it like it's hot. Let me see if I can still do it. Still got it. Or you can make it real tight, which means you keep your step shorter and it adds more sabor, right? More flavor. Woo! Okay, well I already need a break. Thank you again for joining us. Today was the salsa unit basic step 2 side step known as Guanguanco. And the most important thing is change your weight. Can't wait to dance with you again soon. Have a good day.